Tired of hefty fees and confusing exchange rates and sending money to India? I'm here to show you how to transfer money from your Revolut account to an Indian bank account, minimizing costs and maximizing convenience. So let's get started first. Open the Revolut app on your phone and tap the Send button located usually in the bottom navigation bar. Now, you need to add your recipient. Tap Add a Recipient. If you've sent money to this person before, you can select them from your existing list. Select Bank Account as the recipient type. Choose India from the list of countries. Here's or accuracy is key. Enter the recipient's full name, their bank account number, and the IFSC code of their bank branch. Double-check everything to avoid any delays or failed transfers. Next, enter the amount you want to send in your Revolut account's currency. You'll see the equivalent amount in Indian rupees, along with the exchange rate and any applicable fees. Take a moment to review the details, especially the fees and the exchange rate. Revolut typically offers competitive rates, but it's always wise to confirm. If everything looks good, tap Send. You might be asked to verify the transaction using your Revolut PIN or biometric authentication. And that's it. Your transfer is now in progress. Revolut will usually provide an estimated arrival time for the funds. Keep in mind that transfer times can vary depending on the bank and any potential processing delays. Typically, it takes around 13 business days. You can track the progress of your transfer within the Revolut app, and if you encounter any issues, Revolut's customer support is readily available to assist you. Now, you know how simple and efficient it is to send money from Revolut to an Indian bank account.